Hi, today I'm for the EMPORIA Smart 5 and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So this is our currently wallpaper, and just to change it we should first open the settings and then tap to the display section. Then you'll see here wallpaper, tap on it and we can select photos from our device gallery or default wallpapers. For example, in our gallery we can find photos from the previously taken in our device camera, downloaded from the internet, or the screenshots for example. So let's just use now the camera photo. Click on the left upper corner to set wallpaper and select lock screen. Just let's now lock the device. And we can see that we just successfully changed our lock screen wallpaper. Also, yet one more way how we can do that, we should just first hold for a while our home screen with the finger. So let's use just the new screen. Then you'll see here wallpapers icon. So just by the same way, select the Google Photos or wallpapers. Just always or just once you should select it. Let's use one from the download photos. I'll use this one. Just by the same way, tap on left upper corner, click lock screen, and that's it. Now just wait a second. Let's lock the devices, and as we can see we just successfully changed our lock screen wallpaper. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.